Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your email address in your Craigslist account. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it's quite easy. Initially, simply go to your account. On the tab at the top in the middle of the screen, right next to post, you'll see a button like this. That is ACCT. Click on it right now. Then you will be redirected to a page like this. Well, from here, what we need to do is simply scroll over right to settings. I'm gonna click on it right now. And as you can see, there are some things like email address, password, forum handles and everything. And right next to email address, you can see something like change. Click on the button right now as we do want to change the email address. Now it's asking us to enter our new email address right here. As you can see, I have entered both of them. Now what I need to do is simply click on submit new email address. And as you can see, what you guys need to do is simply confirm the email in both of the registered email address. I'm gonna go to confirm the email address. And as you can see, in my email address, I have received something like this. There's a link right here. I'm gonna click on it. And similarly, I'm gonna confirm with my other email address as well. In my other email address, I have received the same email. And I'm just gonna click on the link right here. And guys, that's it. As you can see, our email address has been changed. And guys, that's about it. That's how you change your email address in Craigslist. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.